Not the visual feast of its predecessor but much better to drive. A very convincing Benz. The second act in a niche-generating performance from Mercedes-Benz. It's arguably not as dramatic as a result, but the Mercedes CLS is no less desirable, despite the fact it introduced the ridiculous four-door coupe term into road testing parlance. Swoopy and lithe, it's a handsome four-door, and despite the curves it's not overly compromised inside. Makes you wonder why you'd have a, now admittedly quite swoopy, E-Class, until you realize the CLS is a sizable chunk of money more than its more conventional saloon sibling. Seduction comes from AMG's flagship model, which although badged 63 is actually AMG's latest 5.5-liter V8 with a pair of turbos stoking the gloriously noisy fire. It's a Panamera turbo rival with poise and power to take the fight to its Stuttgart competitor. It's not entirely necessary though, as the rest of the range features the same fine driving dynamics, albeit without the ludicrous pace. Still, 6.5 seconds to 62 miles per hour in the CLS 350D is damn good going for a 52 miles per gallon V6 diesel, and even the four-cylinder CLS 220D turbodiesel manages the benchmark sprint in 8.5 seconds. It's the one everyone will buy, and with good reason as it combines passable performance with fuel station avoiding economy. There's a free badge delete option if you're particularly proud. All ride with a supple composure, as Merc's chassis engineers seem to have recently found their ride and handling mojo. It all adds up to a crushingly competent all-rounder with a broad range of abilities.